In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klarna to Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account and platform settings. After that, look for the Product Settings section in the Settings menu. Under Product Settings, click Payments. This will take you to the area where Stripe lets you manage how customers can pay you. Next, open the Payment Methods tab. In this section, you will see the different payment methods that are available for your Stripe account. Scroll through the list or use the search option to find Klarna more quickly. Once you locate Klarna, click on it to open its payment method settings. On the Klarna settings page, take a moment to review the eligibility requirements. Stripe may show information about supported countries, customer locations, currencies. It is important to confirm that your business and your customers meet these requirements before turning it on. If everything looks correct, click Enable. Stripe will then begin activating Klarna for your account. This may happen right away, or it may take a short moment depending on your account setup. Once the process finishes, check the status to make sure Klarna now shows as enabled. Open an existing payment link, checkout page, invoice, or subscription, or create a new one if needed. These are the places where your customers will actually see the payment methods you have enabled. Then preview or test the checkout experience. This is an important final check. Make sure Klarna appears as an available payment option for eligible customers. If it does not appear, review the product, currency, customer country, and any other eligibility conditions shown in Stripe, since Klarna will only display when the transaction qualifies. Once you confirm that Klarna is showing correctly, you are all set. Your Stripe account is now configured to offer Klarna as a payment method to supported customers. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.